Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. Actually today I wanted to focus only on gold, DAX, Dow and Nasdaq. Unfortunately lately I have some issues with my charts. These kind of movements happens on my charts. I don't know what this is. Anyway, in gold we didn't have any good opportunities, so no biggie. But if you remember, on DAX and Dow we are on the highest ever. We were waiting some reactions on these highs, and you can see here, of course, on DAX what happened. We had a reaction at this level, and also, sorry, I need to go on lower settings. Where is it? So we had here, you see, on the highest we have the reaction. We had a crossover here, a big 1 2 3. If you are in, that was like 50 45 50 pips of an APO. Okay, that means you would be short all the way down to 300 pips. So definitely, of course, a win-win scenario, more than 6 times your APO. What happened actually was price was a little bit on the range, and then it went back down. If you were following that short, let's say, and you re-entered again, that means there was another opportunity here or here, counting, let's say, 260 pips more, and again for more recent history where we were waiting another retracement, again with an APO like 60 pips, you are 200 pips. Okay, a lot of pips on DAX. Let's count the first, let's say, trade here, only the short. I don't know if you followed the remaining positions, but that is almost six, not almost, it's like 6 times our APO. If you go to Dow, you will see again a reaction on the most highs so far. Again, crossover. Okay, we have also a trend line break. You don't need me to tell you that. We had a really nice combination. Again, you can see that what happened, price went from all the way down to 500 plus pips, but if you look a little bit closer, what happened, price actually went all the way down here. That means if you remained short, that was okay, more or less 1,400 pips. So that is exactly the reason why I always say stay in the trade. Never close your last position, because again you can see with an APO of how much, like I said, was like 40 pips. Sorry, no 40, 100, 100, 110. That means trailing your APO always above 36 EMA, and because of a range you wouldn't have trailed it, it would be somewhere here, and then price started to move down again, and you would be out on this area, maybe even more than 1,400 pips. And again, what could happen is if you had the combination again and you took an entry, even on M48 you would be, sorry, plus 400 pips. So we know, of course, indexes are really, really powerful. Again, we always calculate also the spread. Now only on Dow we had 13 times our APO. We are talking about almost 1,500 pips of a movement. Now On Nasdaq, we added it recently because some members started to look it a little bit closer. Again, what you see here was a reaction. At the beginning of the week, we had a really nice retracement, and again, 60-70 pips. Price reacted on a support area using it as a resistance. If you trailed your APO on the same settings, you are out probably with 540 pips. More, no, it's not more, it's like 9 times our APO. Now, with only these 3 charts, we had 2,270 pips, 28 times our APO. That means, of course, if you trade gold and indexes, yeah, we leave it aside sometimes, but I think when the time is right, they should have also their honorary places. I think I said it correctly. Anyway, thank you very much as always. Have a beautiful and safe weekend, and see you again as always Monday morning with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody. Thank you.